Hi guys, it's Julie from Sow and Grow. Today I want to show you how to earth up your potatoes. So those lovely guys, we planted them on the 4th of April and that's what they look like now. They've started growing. You had 3 potatoes and you can see 3 chunks of growth. So now is the time to earth them up, which is to cover them with more soil. And the trick here is to leave a few of the top leaves out so the plant can still do photosynthesis. So I'm going to do it now and you'll see what it looks like at the end. So we've got good quality compost and I'm just going to take the label out to put it back in, and then I'm just going to cover those potatoes. So what happens when you do that is that you force the stem of the potato to produce, the stem of the potato plant to produce more tubers, and tubers are potatoes. So basically you force your potatoes, the potato plant, to make more potatoes, which is exactly what you want, especially if you're growing in container, because you increase your potential harvest. So once you only have a couple of leaves out like that, you want to make sure you press down nicely around it to make sure there's no air bubble around the root. And that's it. You've earthed your potatoes. Make sure to keep watering them and put the label back in. And here you are. And you're going to do that a couple more times, after which the potato will grow too big and you let them grow outside of the soil. Thanks guys.